Iran fires missile exploding U.S. military base in Syria. The attack on a U.S. military facility was a response to recent U.S. fighter strikes on an Iranian military base in the Syrian province of Deir-ez-Zor. According to the data available by the current hour, in total at least 4 missiles were fired at the American military facility. However, information about the destruction and casualties has not been commented on by the current moment. At the moment, it is known that missiles were fired at the American military base, from the province of Deir-ez-Zor, probably from a short distance with direct adjustments from members of the pro-Iranian groups. It is reported that all 4 missiles fell in close proximity to the location of American troops. However, there is no information about the victims and destruction at the moment. According to preliminary data, an improvised launcher was used to attack the American military base. However, at the same time, rockets produced by Iran were fired, although no group has yet claimed responsibility for the attack. Experts note that due to the increasing escalation between Iranian groups and the United States, the likelihood of a serious conflict in the region is only increasing. Is it true? What do you think? Let's war on comments.